I will talk about CPA marketing and what is CPA marketing. Each and everything I will discuss in this video. And first of all, I will tell you one thing, that if you are a beginner, I will show you that what is actually CPA marketing, cost per action and cost per acquisition as well. So it will be easier for you to understand what is CPA marketing, because if you don't know about CPA marketing and the fundamentals of this technique, so you will get confused and you will not earn this kind of things that will be happen with you. So it will be easier for you to understand within 10 minutes in this video, 10 or 15 minutes you will understand that what is CPA marketing is. So first of all, I want to say one thing to you, that if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe this channel, so it will give me more motivations to make videos for you. Okay, so let's move to the screen. I will show you first what is CPA marketing, then I will move to the method and I will show you each and everything. And the thing is, if you are in advanced level, I will show you that what mistakes you are doing for not getting too much commissions in this video. So guys, first of all, we will discuss about cost per action marketing. Cause CPA marketing, short for cost per action marketing, is a type of affiliate marketing used by businesses of all sizes to scale their marketing efforts and reach a wider audience. This involves partnering with an influencer, blogger or publishers who promotes your products in exchange for commission fee. So what are the CPA networks you can use? These are the list. So we will discover and we will talk about in CPA grip, and you can use CPA lead, max bounty is so good, so you can use it, but in the max bounty there are a lot of restrictions about country to country. So I will show you on CPA grip, or you can use CPA lead, CPA, or there are a lot of networks. So that will be the actually requirement to tell you that what is actually cost per action marketing. You will give your affiliate link to someone, and the other person will click over there and fill up the form like email address or any requirement, and you will get paid. Simple. This is the cost per action meaning. And you will not require any investment, and you will not require anything or any technical skill. No, you can do this easily. First of all, I will show you my earnings. So guys, this is my earning for today, and you can see over here, and I want to show you something over here, that whenever you go and do these type of things for CPA marketing, make sure you will select a right targeted audience and a right country. You will never ever promote your CPA offers to another country. Means the offer is from United States, for example, and France, Spain, Italy, Thailand, Malaysia, whatever. So you will have to promote your CPA offers to that specific country, otherwise you will not get earned. This is the first mistake. The second mistake I will show you in this video as well, but first of all we will select some country. For example, I will select United States. So United States offers are appearing over here, so we will select some offer from here. Act now for 7, grab your $10,000 something card or whatever, and enter for I don't know what is this. So we will select another one, or we will select this one. Watch the welcome video in the Wix app. No, the commission is so low, so we will not select this one. So over here we will select some commission that will be higher, so it will be easier for us. Grab gift card. Okay, now I'm going to click over here. So the offer is enter for 10,000 now. Okay, and the offer is desktop email zip submit. You will pay it by $2, but the offer is not appearing clearly, so I will not going to promote this offer. I will promote the offer like 7. I have promoted this offer a lot of offers, so actually I have earned from this type of offer, so I have revealed it as well, so no problem. So 750 PayPal gift card now. So this offer is for mobile all. Means if the person using mobile phone from United States and he or she will enter the email zip submit, so you will be paid $2.05. Simple, very simple. We will select different countries. Now the method will be started from here, that what I want to say you, what I want to show you over here. The mistakes I will figure out for you, so you will not take that type of mistakes, and you will simply earn from CPA marketing. So let's suppose I have selected one offer from United States, then I will select one offer from France, then I will select one offer from Spain, then I will select some offer from United Kingdom, and different offers I will select, and after that I will create a landing page. Okay, so you will require a landing page, otherwise you cannot promote your CPA offers, otherwise other platform will get banned you, or you cannot do this. You will require affiliate link like this offer is for United Kingdom. The offer is enter for a little voucher price, okay, or one payout $1, okay, mobile user. So this offer is for United Kingdom people. This will become your affiliate link. Okay, I will copy, and then you will paste your affiliate link, but I will show you the real secret over here, the real mistake that people do. Guys, after that you will go to the Google, you will write Google Docs, you will click over here, absolutely free. After clicking, you will click go to Docs, very simple. You will click on blank, super simple. After that, you will just need to enter your specific countries like France. Okay, see over here, France, USA, Spain, okay, UK. Then you will write something over here like free PayPal gift card, for example, free PayPal gift card, okay, and then you will write over here catchy line over here, free giveaway. So every audience you will see over here on your landing page will be, you will get multiple audience, so you will have 10x to 20x chances to get commission. This is the logic, this is the theory, this is the technique and tact over here. And same thing you will write over here on Spain, you will write same thing on eye-catchy title for UK. So if the person from France come on your landing page, you will click over here, they will click over here. From USA, they will click over here. Spain, click over here. UK, click over here. This is the real thing. How you will get your title? You will get your title from here like this. For example, this service is from, this offer is for United Kingdom. I will go again to the Google Docs. I will write same thing over here. Okay, so offer will be from UK. You will change the title, subtitle. You can put attractive images over here. You can put your, you can make as much as possible beautiful landing page, as much as you can. So you will definitely, if your offer is from UK, you will write your title over here as well. I will show you the method that how you can promote this. Don't worry, I will show you in this video that how you can do this. Then you will go where? You will go to the Google, and after that you will write over there writer me. After that you will click over here. It will make amazing, super, no problem. You will enter your email address and it will appear in front of you. Then we will put title over here. For example, I have pasted title over here, get free PayPal gift card. Let's suppose I'll click over here, right, for me. Okay, I'm clicking over here. It will give me ready-made unique article in front of you, and then we will promote that article anywhere. So here you can see it has generated a AI article over here. I'm not going to read here. You can read before submitting any article because it's AI tool. If you think that this article is not suitable for you, you will click again over here. It will generate another article for you. So there is a no big deal. There is a no problem. Okay. After that, it has generated another article as well. So it has giving a tip. So I'm going to copy this article from here and then copy it. Then I will go to the website article biz. Article biz is absolutely free. You will no need to require anything. Go write article biz on Google. It will take you here. Then you will click. There is no registration. You will just need to submit article, write your name, email address if you want to give. Otherwise there is no need. You can give your email address, but there is not a big deal. And after that, article title, the article title will become same that we have copied from CPA Grip or CPA or any other landing page or any other network which you have got. So you can put your article title over here, free PayPal 700 gift card or something like this, and gets free PayPal 700 gift card. Article category, you will select some category and the category will become you can see over here there are a lot of categories. We will select some category over here. So we will select sales and marketing or something, sales and services. Okay. An article body, you will paste your article which we have actually generated from AI content, absolutely free. Copy and then I'll paste over here. Simple. And then it will ask us resource box, include a short bio about yourself. You may include your email and or website address information, maximum 2 URL. Simple. What you're gonna do over here, you will do one thing over here, that you will go to the docs. That will be so you will put your absolutely title over here in the front. You will put your title, free PayPal gift card or free gift card or giveaway or anything. Then you will create list like this. Simple. Then you will click over here on share. You will put the title like free giveaway. You can give the title, and after that you will click over here on save. Simple, very simple. Copy link copied, done. Simple. Now you will move to the article biz. Click over here, paste your Google Docs URL over here, but this URL is not looking good. You can shorten this link with any software, with any tool. You can get over the Google Cutly, Bitly or Tiny URL. You can make it shorten within few seconds, and after that you will just need to challenge question, what is 7 minus 3, put it over here. Simple. Click over here and continue. I'm not continuing this article because this article is for you, for showing you the random example. Very simple. It will take 24 hours or 12 hours to submit, to get approved as submit. Definitely it will get approved, and after 12 hours it will be appearing on article biz. The second method I will show you in this video, that first of all, go to the channel Digital Helping, my channel. Make sure to subscribe as well, and after that you will click over here, view full playlist. So you will understand on this video, this is the first one. Here I have explained about Pinterest. So same method you will apply on Pinterest. You will create a Pinterest pin with Canva. I'm going to show you. I said you that you should watch this video. Here in this video I have shown that how you can create your pin with Canva, and after that you will put your pin on Pinterest, and you will put your Google Docs, you can share this type of link, because I have already said that you cannot promote your affiliate link directly, otherwise other platform will get banned you. Okay, so I hope you have understand what I am saying over here, and I have tried my best to tell you each and everything. Make sure to subscribe this channel, and if you have any kind of question, you can freely ask me on comments. Definitely I will answer you. Take care. Goodbye.